Ako rin, baka mag-confess na rin ako sa crush ko. Hey guys, what's up? So I heard from Dazzle Me about your confessions to your crush. So today, we are gonna be reading all your confessions. First confession. I remember you used to like me back in 2023, but gave up because you thought you wouldn't have a chance. But I was secretly also interested in you. Just waiting for your first move. Still wondering if you still like me or if my waiting was in vain. Grabe kasi I think everyone can relate to this. I think in dating, it's really hard na paminsan di natin alam if the person likes us or not, di ba? So, I think it's better to be straightforward than to ghost, di ba? I think if you ghost someone, hindi natin alam kung ano yung pwede nilang ma-feel. Next! Dear James, hi, my favorite, parang kapatid ko yata to ha. Hi, my favorite setter, it's a month of love, and I hope you find your own love and happiness. Can't believe it's been 3 years since you got my heart. Watching you play on the court last year was a dream come true. And even if it was the first and last game I got to see you, I'll forever treasure that moment. I think this letter is for my brother, James. It's not for me, but I'll make sure to let him know about your admiration for him. Wait lang guys, so break muna tayo sa pagbabasa ng confessions. Ang cute ko na. Stephen, I know this thing is quite beyond us because we are already married. Never told you about this, but now I want to let you know that to this day, I have the biggest crush on you. For someone who embraced single life as a choice, you challenge every bit of my convictions and boundaries. Your calm yet fun-filled nature made me appreciate slowing down in life. Your love has always been secure and has been my source of strength. Though I do not say it out loud, for the world to know, I am more in love with life because I get to spend it with you. Wow! Sana all. In finding a right partner, dapat talaga, gaya ng sinabi niya, it makes you calm and secured, di ba? Piling ko ganun talaga yung real love. Siguro yung mga love na pwede na pang kasal. Oh, so David Licao ko, para sa akin na ito. For sure, maraming may crush sa'yo, but ilan na ba yung umamin? Ha 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 ha. Hi, ang cute mo po. Nung una, ayaw ko talaga aminin sa sarili ko na posible pala ako magka-crush sa isang Filipino celebrity, pero kasi iba yung charm mo. You dazzle me with your handsomeness. Yes, with the help of my moisturizer, obviously naman talagang nagiging moist, yung lips ko, di ba? Kissable. De joke lang. Pero ayun nga, napakagaling mo sa work mo, yung acting skills mo, abot sa puso ko. Sana, if ever mabasa mo man to, do you consider dating a fan? Charot, dazzle me kasi But anyways, have a great Valentine's Day. This coming Feb 14, Sir David He. Love lots, you're a secret admirer. Thank you for your admiration, for having a crush on me. Pwede naman tayo mag-date kasi wala rin akong date sa Feb 14. Diba? So, ayun na lang. Kita na lang siguro tayo. Text mo lang ako. Thank you so much for your admiration. I appreciate you and galingan mo sa lahat. So guys, that's it. And I dare you to be bold. And just take a risk. Malay mo, crush din kayo ng crush nyo. Diba? So, ayun lang. Mag-confess na kayo. See you soon. And ako rin, baka mag-confess na rin ako sa crush ko. Joke lang. Next time na lang. Tama na. Okay, bye guys!